In this video, I'm going to show you what to do after forgetting secure folder password on Samsung Galaxy A16. Let's open secure folder. When you enter the wrong pin and password here, the forgot option will appear here. When you tap on it, it will show you to reset your pin and password. If you tap on reset, it will say to verify it's you, you have to send the mail. And when you open the email, it will say to tap on this button. As you can see, my ID is verified successfully, but if you go in secure folder, here you can see nothing happened. Now, to fix this, follow this step. Go in settings, tap on your Samsung profile, simply scroll down, tap on sign out, tap on sign out, tap on send email. I will simply go back. A new email is come to verify. As you can see, here is the new email. Simply tap on show quoted text. I will simply tap on this button to verify. Now I will simply go back in settings. As you can see, my Samsung account is logged out. Now, if you open secure folder, it will show two options, sign in or uninstall. Simply tap on uninstall. Tap on uninstall. Now secure folder is uninstalled in my device. Now you can simply create a new secure folder by going in settings, security and privacy, more security settings, secure folder, tap on continue. Now sign in your Samsung account. I will simply sign in that account which I used previously. Simply check the boxes, tap on agree. I don't want to set up Samsung Pass, so I will simply tap on cancel, tap on continue. As you can see, new secure folder is creating. You don't have to reset your phone to fix the secure folder. Now set the secure folder lock, simply tap on done. I will simply select the pin. Now this time set the easy pin or password which you will remember. Just simply tap on turn on, tap on next. As you can see, my secure folder is set up. So this is how you can fix forgetting secure folder password on Samsung Galaxy A16. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.